Hey guys, welcome back to my channel DataAnalytics with Divya. In today's video, let's try to understand about the mostly used logical operators in MySQL. That is AND, OR and NOT. Let's see about each one of them with examples. Previously, I already uploaded some videos on MySQL, and if anyone is new to my channel and if anyone wants to learn SQL from scratch, you can watch that playlist. I'm placing the link of MySQL playlist for beginners in the description box, and you can even find the same in iCards towards the top right corner of your screen. Please have a look. And without any further delay, let's get started. So now let's understand about AND operator. In AND operator, all the conditions separated by AND should be true. So in AND operator, basically all the conditions which are separated by AND should be true. Let's see one example here. Here I have one products table. Let me just display that data by using the select command. I will just write it as select star from products. Let me execute that. So this is my data. Here if you observe, I have 4 columns in the products table, that is product ID, product name, price and stock quantity. And I have about 4 rows in this data. So if I say, let's try to use the AND operator in the products table. So if I say select star from products where price greater than 100 and stock quantity less than 100. So here I am using where clause to filter the data, and inside the where clause I am using AND operator to combine this both conditions. Here my conditions are price greater than 100 and stock quantity less than 100. So whenever we use AND operator, all the conditions should be true. That means if I execute this statement, as I'm using AND operator inside the where clause, it should display only that data for which both the conditions are true. Let's see. Let me just execute this statement and let's observe the output. See, here I got my output and I got only 2 rows in it. If we observe, in my first row, my price is greater than 100 and stock quantity is also less than 100. In the second row also, both the conditions are satisfying. So basically, whenever we are using AND operator, both the conditions should be true and it displays the data only if all the conditions are satisfied. So this is how we will use AND operator. Next we have OR operator. In OR operator, it displays the data if any one of the conditions specified is true. So in OR operator, it displays the data if any one of the condition is true. So let's see one example for this OR operator as well, and I will use same products table here, and I will just make some changes in the above query. Let me just copy this query, and instead of AND operator, I will use OR operator here. And maybe let me change the first condition. Let me write it as price greater than 400. So now I'm saying that I want to display the data, that is select star from products where price greater than 400 or stock quantity less than 100. I'm giving OR operator and I'm mentioning 2 conditions here. As I said in the definition, it should display the data if any one of the conditions is true. So let's execute this and let's observe the output. Here I got 3 rows in my output, and if you observe in the first row, my price is greater than 400 and stock quantity is also less than 100. That means it is satisfying both the conditions. In the second row, it is satisfying only first condition, and in the second condition, stock quantity is not less than 100, it is equals to 100. So in the second row is satisfying only one condition. In the third row, it is not satisfying the first condition, it is satisfying only the second condition. So by this we can understand that whenever we use OR operator, at least one condition should be true. If both the conditions is true also, it will display, but at least one condition should be true, then only it will display the data. Okay, so this is how we will use OR operator. Next we have NOT operator. NOT operator displays the records if condition is not satisfied. That is, whenever we use not operator, it just display the records if the condition is not satisfied. Let's solve one example here, and let me use same products table. First, let me just display the data of the products table by using select star from products. And now here I have one column called as product name. Let me use not operator on this column. So if I say select star from products where not product name is equals to, let me give any name. Here I'm giving a product name as smartphone. So basically I'm saying select star from products where not product name is equals to smartphone. And in the definition I said it displays the records if the condition is not satisfied. That means here I'm mentioning my condition is smartphone. So if this condition is not satisfied, then only it will display the data. That means wherever this condition is satisfying, that data it won't display. So let's see, let's execute this statement and let's observe. Yes, so I got only three records, and if you can observe here, product name is equals to smartphone is not displayed. Whenever this condition is not satisfied, the remaining data only it will display. So this is about not operator. I hope you got clarity about how we will use and operator, or operator, and not operator. So in my next video, I'm going to discuss about range operator and membership operator. So please stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.